Hey guys, another video from our unboxing computer hardware series. You can find the playlist in the description of this video. So this is a Core i7-8700 processor from Intel. It's an 8th gen processor. Here. Okay, let's unbox. It comes with a leaflet, sealed one, and a cover. The cover comes with thermal paste on it, so you just have to put it on top of the processor and you don't need to do anything else. 12 volts, 0.6 amps, so it's about 7 something watts. And here's the processor. Core i7-8700. Okay. Let's put it back in. We are going to build a machine with this and some other parts of from our other unboxing videos, and we'll test it out later. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye.